And we're back. All right, in today's video, we're going to see if we can swap out this stock Sport Glide air cleaner for the touring air cleaner that I picked up. So I'm going to start taking this apart and we'll see what we can do here. This actually shouldn't take very long. If everything comes apart the way it's supposed to, this will not be a very long video, maybe a half hour. Hopefully that should be it. Well, oh, there it goes. Holy crap. They had that one so tight, and they're not supposed to be that tight. Again, they're, you have torque values for a reason. Don't understand why people don't use them. That's why they make torque wrenches. Seriously, makes no sense. That one's just way too freaking tight. So, let me get this other one loose here. I got this one and one more. That one went. Very good. Very good. Okay. So they're all loose. Get this cover off first. All right. I don't know where the heck that one went. Didn't hear it hit the floor. There it is. Okay. Because I will pack this all back in the box that the touring one came with. Usually when I sell a bike or trade a bike in, all the parts that I have that have been swapped out end up going back with the thing when it's traded in. So, or sold. I know some people have a habit of keeping stuff like I've run into with this. There's things that I would like to have had, but obviously I didn't get it because the guy, when he traded it in, he didn't take the box of parts with him, of all the stuff that he yanked off of it. So, all right, let's see. This should now come off. Very good. Nice. All right, there's that. Now, let's move on to, now that looks a little bigger. Is that, no, I guess that's the same size. Get the air filter off next. Again, they shouldn't be that tight. They're not supposed to be. Okay, very good. Get those three off. Well, I was wrong when I said it sucked from the bottom. It actually sucks right here. There's the hole is right here. So it's sucking engine heat right from the top. Not a good design in my book. I don't believe it's that good of a design to do that. Okay, and these just yank off. These are your breather tubes. A lot of times, like people, you run the bike a little bit low on oil, so you don't get a bunch of oil like this. See that? I'm gonna have to clean that. That's from the previous owner, because when I did the oil change, I ran it a little bit low when I filled it up. And, that's what you're supposed to do on these. They tell you where to run it. It's like a half a quart, I think they say, low than what the specs are, unless you want to run an outside breather, which right now I'm not too interested in doing. So we're going to stick with just running it a little bit low on oil. And it doesn't hurt anything. All right, let me wipe this out real quick before I take this off. Yeah, see? So, and once I get this off the rest of the way, I'll spray the throttle body real quick, the plates, and we'll get that clean. It's not a great deal of oil, but it's enough to bother me because it does carbon up your head very heavily. So, all right, let's see. I believe those are 9/16. Let's see what we got here. No, they are not. I'm pretty sure they were 9/16 on my switchback. So that looks to be a 1/2 inch, I guess. My tools are clustered over here, so let me find what I'm after here. 16ths. Where are they? let's see. See if this will do the trick. Bear with me, I'm finding what I need here, people. Sorry to do that out of your line of sight, but toolbox is up the other end of the garage, and normally I would have the garage door open. Nope. Holy cow. So what are we, 7/16, or did they go to a freaking metric? Let's see what we got here. I'm definitely not going to be it. Let's see what we got here. Try this again. Come here. Go back in here where you belong. Yes, I talk to my tools. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I cuss my tools out quite frequently. All right, let's see. This is going to tell the tale here. Okay, 7/16. Very good. All right. Crack these free. This one free. Okay. Very good. Now we'll run those out. While I'm over here, I will grab my blue Loctite, because when it goes back together, it does require blue Loctite on all the screws and stuff. All right, let's see what we got. Hopefully this can run out by hand. And get these out, because I am going to reuse these. The replacement didn't come with them, but they're the exact same part number. So, and they use the white. It's almost like the stuff that they use on drain plugs. What it reminds me of. All right, yeah, you're still pretty snug there. Yeah, it's a lot of the Loctite on there, which it's doing its job if it ain't coming off. So, okay, let's see what we got. Out you come. All right, that's that. And then, here, I'll leave that there for a second and just show you what I was saying. Okay, so here's the hole. That's where your stock air breather pulls air. So it's pulling right here. I mean, you're in between the heads. That's all hot air up there. So this thing is just pulling hot air. And what do I got? He's stuck. Okay. He stuck one of the LED from the LED light kit to the bottom of the air cleaner. So we're going to carefully take that off. I'm going to end up having to put some fresh 3M tape on there. So, all right, now get this. Finish wiping out this throttle body. Turn you back around so you can see what I'm doing here. Finish wiping this out, like I said. There we go. That gets that clean. Wipe that out. That's good. Okay. All right, very good. All right, that's that. Now, here's our replacement. Is it actually going to fit? No, it's not going to fit. So, it does not fit the Sport Glide with the way the exhaust is made. So this is not going to work for this bike. Not going to cut it. I would end up having to tear it apart or switch over to the Nest backing plate. I think he said he used, which is just a flat backing plate. So this just isn't going to cut it. Not going to work. So that means we're going to have to do a little more research, and that's as far as I can go at this time. I don't want to, I don't know if I could rework this. I might be able to rework this piece to see if we can get it on. Yeah, I don't think so, because it would have to, I'd have to end up taking this whole bottom piece and cutting that whole piece off, which I really don't want to do. So this is not going to work. It is what it is. So I think for right now, I'm just going to leave this apart and figure out what I'm going to do from there. So, like I said, it was only 40 bucks, as I said in the other video. And, you know, you take chances on things. That's what we do. Try to figure things out. At least I figured out that it doesn't work. And you're not wasting your money to try to figure it out, hopefully. So, and then we'll go from there. So we have, like I said, I do have everything. And I'm just going to leave everything sitting out here, all the tools, and see what I can come up with. Again, if that Ness backing, I'm pretty sure he said it was Arlen Ness that he had. So, and I really don't want to go that route. But who knows? Maybe I'll just spend 170 bucks and do it. So we'll see. All right. That's as far as we can go for now. So I guess we will see you guys in the next video with what we're going to go with. All right. Thanks for watching.